the top news headlines. Manipur farmers toiling hard for crop yield despite drought-like situation. Veteran Ojoy terms Manipur political crisis very unusual politics. And medical team flag off to conduct free medical camp at Tamenglong district. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongbantabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. We all have witnessed development in latest science and technology in this 21st century, and it is believed that if a World War III to break out in the near future, it would be a war based on water-related issues as water shortages become more common across the globe at present. Here is an exclusive report on this.
It is of utmost importance for every individuals of different communities to work together on preserving the surrounding environment like forests, hills, water bodies, etc. If not, the future generation will have to face the consequences of our blunders, for which they will not forgive us. Over the past couple of years, the amount of rainfall is seen drastically reducing in many parts of the world, including Manipur, due to which many people are facing water scarcity issue. Besides, water for agricultural use has become a matter of serious concern. In this situation, in order to provide water for growing crops, the government has chosen a policy of pumping water from rivers and lakes to irrigate fields. But most of the water bodies in the state are all dried up, which is a serious concern to many of the local farmers. As witnessed by a lamjingbatomtv team, around 150 paddy fields along the Tidim Road in Bishnupur district have gone dried, and desperate local paddy field owners are hiring women laborers to toil on the dry fields in an effort to grow paddies. A woman told lamjingbatomtv that she hired some women from nearby villages to work on her paddy field by paying them 500 rupees each daily. A woman working in the field said that right now we are working like our forefathers did in the past in their fields when there was no water.
Si akhoi gi ne ising laiterabani na khoi pamphel haraga ju pungul haraga ju boko adu haraga su dum khangnare lauje hayeng nong laktraga ju khaga nong churokpa matam da ko kangna linghauba sina khoi kita oraga ju adum akhoi kharadi dum chaba phangedara na khalaga koi smaita guna lingjabane belausi.
According to a recent report from Indian Meteorological Department, the amount of rainfall is reduced to 38% in the northeast region, and only 181 millimeters rainfall was recorded between the month of March and May this year, as against the expected rainfall of 520 millimeters. In such scenario, the government might stop supplying tap water to its citizens anytime soon and switch on to distribution of water in limited amount to every household.
Manipur veteran politician Ojoy today rebuked the persisting political scenario created by leadership crisis within Biren government, describing the situation wherein stiff opposition has been shown even by the state BJP president, ministers and MLAs against the BJP-led government as very unusual politics. He was exclusively speaking to lamjingbatomtv at his Kawa residence in Imphal. He said the incumbent government storm to power sends specific objective and now it runs purposelessly, owing to which a political unrest has been created.
BJP ki Sri Biren lusing government ji agoi magi party gi mayam amana pente hairak panayaba sinayaba leise aduna pen di koi pen da bisda moi koi ki kumjan da bhone adu madu miyam da namthang to na pa hai bane hai na hai batai Madam Would you like to government, the Siki legislature party meeting to Uganda, Pam Suna Pangam Gidre? Adagi cabinet meeting Pangam Gidre? Government the Sarkar, Prime Nariba Kambuna, Sarkar, the pain the Viva from La AGD, Ondona, Mayak Ching, Pone Marai, the Kogi, a Koidi Kashu Canada, Pashata Nerubuni, Ade the Adu Tobuni guy, the Am Chown of Praza, the Kogi, Woi the Bangang Banam Tank to Bumni, Bavan the Pen the Hari now, when no Kankre. Bavan the Pen the Hari. Would you lady MPG Pen the Hari? Go, when Tabada, Land subject to verification. Kana Pen Ribno BJP ki Sarkar, BJP ki President na Penjadraba, BJP ki Mantri Mayam na Penjadraba. Ha, aregi BJP ki MLA mayam tu na penjat ragadi. Akoi masigi dai to se hidi kanan lo roni.
Ojoy further said that because of the prevailing political standoff, the people have been victimized. He said the BJP itself has been blaming the party government for the entire imbroglio, causing suffering to the public.
Sen mang reze ain haibnate aba BJP ki mantri na hairi aba. Sarkar na haije aba. Sen mang reze sarkar na haiba. Ojoy na haibnate aba. Lady ba sarkar se masi phatre. Paisa mangal le thabak tawdre. Posei mayam praja ki yengdre se sarkar na haije aba. Ain haije de aba. Ada ide praja sing peloi di. Sarkar bai di ba mayam dura masi ki sarkar se phatre har kanda. I know how we are. Prazana, the pay high the pen high. At the father, the local in Mentaton the royal. Natro, and the father, the local Mentaton the rock. A rider, a quiggy, saying Harkan, the BJP high command Joe. Nasi the gi Takri among the BJP leader, Mayam Lami, Yang and me assessment to Torga. Adu other. Dilida mukok shalure ada itu yong tanyen da, yong tanyen, itu ibu habis tambai je, yong tanyen dah sama tu, hanya tolong isan kita tu yong tanyen sama tu pejawari ni. Hari ini pejawab ada BJP ke high command BJP ke leaders ini yong tanyen torido, ada mak, aku ini, yamna aku ini kerihai ni lebak cigi, filai diba aku ini, piwam cikang dah Dai don't think a kang the Bolona we are. Except me, Karan Natana. Pen de Heidi. Sensinabasum de Heidi. Tabakuto Lu de Heidi. Mo Marinta de Heidi. Miam the Sabis Piva. Nam de Heidi. Sarkar, Sarkar is the body by MLA do Moi. Sarkar if I in the Sogotan target and Gang, you may have the pen the cantity. Karita with the gay, it is the high time, Yam Tuna settled over Miami, our corner, Bagamasak, Wagan, Kali.
A 60-member medical team was fleck off from Kanglaget, Imphal today for a 3-day medical camp to be conducted at Tamai under Tamenglong district. The camp organized by Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC was fleck off by President of major social organizations UCM, AMUCO, CCSK and IPSA. Convener of JSCC, Manjit Sarangthem, said that the camp was to facilitate medical assistance and facilities to remote villages of Konfung, Rianglong, Katam and other neighboring villages of Tamai subdivision. He stated that the medical team comprises of paramedical, doctors and nurses of RIMS, Jenims, Ayush Department, Saina Institute of Medical Sciences. JSCC thank all those who have extended help for the medical camp.
Coordination Committee, JSCC na marina ana laengi kudung chaba hang dawa duga ang sotara leba mofom sing kay makata na teman-teman ba ana laengi kudung chaba pina bagi rom sing teman-teman ba department sing kusum na chapina ni habsi jadi itu kalau nang segi ke masih mai pak na bokona ba matam da mating pangmirap kuding mako JSCC makai digi kai kun ba.
The proposed draft National Education Policy 2019 has socio-cultural political implication, especially for Northeast India. Identities, reason, religion, language caste, ethnicity are major issues in the socio-political life of contemporary Indian politics. In the new proposed NEP, there is clear articulation of identity assertion and attempts to create new hierarchies of inequality through ideological hegemony transacted through the medium of school education. According to a recent article written by Dr. Jibanlata Salam, the systematic exclusion of the socio-cultural life and the history of the people of Northeast India from national education policies and nationalized school textbooks can be attributed to India's chronopolitics, that is, the inclusivist political decision Union of India had with Northeast India at the time of India's independence. Even after 70 years of India's independence, the socio-cultural traditions and the Mongoloid phenotypes of Northeast people have not found a place in the acceptable common imaginary racial cultural mold of Aryan phenotypes. Post-independent India began the task of constructing nationalized school textbook to build a cohesive, strong Indian nation. This stands true especially in case of construction of nationalized schools history textbooks. The idea of a nation assumes that nationals share a common past, present and future, and it's fundamentally cultural, social and political, uniting a community. More importantly, it serves to remake and reinforce the collective personality of the nation in each generation. Identity formation on such shared values is inclusive for the in-group, while simultaneously has the capacity to shut out groups whose social cultural values fall outside the reference frame of cultural mold of the in-group. Shutting out of Northeast India is particularly felt in the present proposed draft NEP 2019, the article said. Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, Akomlup Kanglei Park celebrates its 19th Foundation Day. More after the break.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang seba da lejari apamba service khanbiyu economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer, standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer, luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40. Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati, Ukhrul, Churchanpur, Kakching, More, Chandela Chingba Singh Chananabagisu Ataba Mamalda book to Viba Yaragani. Manipur ki Mapan ki Lamsing, Haibadi, Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na Chingba Singh Chananabagisu book to Viu, Loina na Luhongba, Amadi Atopa Tabak Thorum ki Damaktasu, Akanaba discount Pizari. Hena Kupamaro ki Damak, contact to Viu, Aikogi contact number 180010279559. Natraga 8794613154. Aikogi website www.lamjingbatomtv.com.
Welcome back after the break. Akomlup Kanglei Park today celebrated its 19th Foundation Day at the Narantham Khulenlekai Community Hall, Imphal. President in charge of Akomlup, Sanjit Soraisam, National and International Awardee H. Ibotombi Kuman, Associate Professor DM University R.K. Chandrakumar, former President of Akomlup Indra Kumar Ningomba and United Committee Manipur UCM Vice President KSH Somorendro shared the dais at the event. The organization has been relentlessly extending help to various children's homes and old age homes across the state. The preparations for the upcoming Integrity Protection Day to be held on July 27 have been completed. The Loop informed. President in charge Akomlup Sanjit Soraisam urged the state government to bring a solution to the current political turmoil.
Shothariba khunai asida aikoina khara makhai khajik oragasu aikoina mengkhatpa ngamgadra haiba wakhallonda hairiba ngasi Akomlup Kanglei Park asi saphongdana ngasi chahi 10 mapan mapung phadana khunai asigi thabak thawgai kaya ama aikoina pangbu ngamjaribani LP gi KF ki changjaliba mayam ama citizenship amendment bill gi matang leiriba chireba tanja asida kari orakani karamba lalong changsilakani haiba akhoi gi nungnang ba phawri ngai chara gasida leiriba sarkar gi pham pairiba paiga doriba pairiba punna leiminariba government asigi thopuri ba sing asina akhoi gi phammunabagi wakhalon da changsin basi konglu kongai pangna masi yajaningde aduna masi yam thuna lotion bira kanda laibaki oiba khunai sigi oiba awatpa ahoba leiriba sing asida hena puning changal kanda khunai asibu awonba khunai ma afaba mangjil thaba khunai ma ohen badana hena mai pakani aduna adomdana hena chungbane hena thamjani.
Under the Third State Finance Commission 2018-2019, benches and desks were distributed to 60 schools of District Council Administration, Chandel at MS Chaubi So Mill Complex, Wabagailam Khai. Chairman of Autonomous District Council, ADC Chandel D. Ringo Lamkang, Executive Member Education of ADC Chandel T.S. Kanlun, and Chief Executive Officer of ADC Chandel K.S.H. Siddharth presided over the function. Chairman of ADC Chandel D. Ringo Lamkang said that the ADC Chandel is also working towards development of the school under District Council Administration Chandel, but due to lack of proper funds, the requirements can't be met on time. He promised to provide the infrastructure of the schools.
Something is better than nothing.
District Forest Office, DFO Jiribam, District Police Jiribam, Jiribam Higher Secondary School, All Jiribam Sports Association, AJSA, and All Jiribam Road Transport Drivers Union, AJRTDU, jointly planted saplings at the playground of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, guest house of JMC to mark the 17th Vanamahotsav 2019. L. Ranjit Kumar Singh, Principal of Jiribam High Secondary School, JHSS, M. Mubi Singh, Superintendent of Police, Jiribam District Police, C.H. Ibomcha Singh, DFO Jiribam, M. Tom Babu Singh, among others, attended the event. Speaking about the function, Superintendent Jiribam stated that the plantation will not only fight global warming but will also give shade to the players as well as the spectators at the playground. He further appealed that people should continue tree plantation.
Usar mayamama akhoi zik thabagi pandam thamiji usar samri muk thabagi pandam lei thai basi akhoi Jiribam police ne adagi Jiribam football association ki kangbu ne ade forest department ne punnaga sinbani aduga sigi ji matam koina uji thada dana koi bisi lei bisi yengmu ngai te na SP Jiribam ki suggestion ge loina na police ki mayam go loina na thadani
sports association ki executive officer sing school ki oja sing chhatra sing Manipur police ki department ki employees sing forest department ki loina na to pa CSO sing ki members sing ka loina na asigum laba 70 koi ki Vanamahotsav Hairiba observation to Washida Jiribam district ki mafam asida aikoina maru oina Jiribam district ki khwaidagi maru oiba football ground masigi akoiba sida aikoina usar thabagi thabak asi aikoina lokhatchari.
Manipur Information Commission, in association with Deputy Commissioner of Tengnoupal District, today organized a one-day awareness program on RTI Act 2005 at the conference hall of Additional Deputy Commissioner at Border Town, Moray. The event was attended by representatives of Departments of Education, Forest, Security, Social Welfare and others. Manipur Chief Information Commissioner O. Sunil, former State Chief Information Commissioner T.H. Iwobi, Deputy Secretary G. Santi Kumar Kabui, ADC Moray M. Raj Kumar and SDO of Moray Dinesh Kumar took part in the program.
Objective of one thing is to bring transparency and accountability in governance. कोई एक सिवटी ऐसी कोई ना सुगाई नहीं ना रहे अब वो हल्ला की उधर पार सुगाई but see the main thing that we need to change our mindset towards government and how we are running the government.
Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society MOBEDS Manipur organized a felicitation function at the Classic Hotel in North AOC today, during which students who took part in a coaching at the 6 months free remedial coaching center and scored higher marks in this year's Class 10 Board and Class 12 Council examinations were honored. IAS led Khogin Haukip, MCS NG Bhogendro Meitei, MCS CA Sachi and MCS NG Uttam Singh attended program as chief guest of honor and president respectively.
Target obviously in 6 months we have targeted 650 students only, out of which 118 have failed. I earnestly request the coordinators, the project officer and the teachers.
Economic and financial background from which many of our government school students study, they being from economically deprived, underprivileged families. So we need to plan out together so that we can go together and for the ultimate betterment of our students.
Felicitation to set adu to we ko khoi na su khang ho ga da di mai pun si do lady bani na mana to ga da ba ma mi oi ga da ba ma phom do yo dri ma phau di achuma ma felicitation se to roi da pun si da consistency ma darkar lai hai bani ngasi 70% and above mark phangena mayam mang dai kai khumna utpi re adu ga sida harau raga pen tho ga lai ba tar ga ti kunsi mai ba haroi kana roi khona ba lep no hai bani adu ga third division da lai ba su ma pass khatang tor ga su kunsi loi ba nai tri ti hobuda ngai bani na lamjel hobuda ngai bani na chen khat pa yam yari matam yam lai ri third division da lak pa mi ju second division da lak pa mi ju first division da mark name ba kang bu ju punging handa biganu
A social worker from Khangabok Part 1 Awanglekai Moirang Them Kunjesur opposed the re-selection of Wan Khundrakpam Bodin as NFSA agent for polling 35/16. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, he said Antiyodaya Anna Yojana AAY and Priority Households PHH card holders of the polling station have been deprived of the schemes by giving less quantity of rice entitled to the beneficiaries. Rice has not been distributed to the beneficiaries since January 2019. He claimed and accused the Pradhan Ningthauzam Mala of mismanagement of the NFSA rice.
Public to only 3 days asigi matung tabada magna any card lakwa lairaba ina khunba lakwa singji amate yendre pitho ai nawa laude no haning bada hairu akhoi di no ade cheng sing lemi ba ade anuba card sabade cheng nakhoi ne pidri ba marum ji kai cheng yen ba ko na de keji manga pi ga do do akhoi ne pidri je ade madu kada lei ai na akhoi public na hangu matam ji da adu gi cheng do na haru na ko hore sing mai public te man ka 52.35 quintal phangwa matam ji da saruk akhoi na pathoga man piriba chengi sangji pathoba matam ji da saruk ahum thokgi ani ma ejel mangon da lehore asigumba parja jina nupi angang ngakta da kumsi jahi da gi nupi da priority piu haina nupi sing da loina priority pire adu office da akhoi na complaint to chatpa matam da so ngasai nupi angang ji di khonggangi oibani na official gi niyom ji kaya khangde I Tauraga, Hyruraga, agenda Hyruraga, and now all of them with Towning Butoro. She might have moved Targo seeing it be the light of Nina, a Kaitan Pangolorena, and the mind to me later. Sigmo Mayamji, Pen the Badagi, and RDIC Tojavane.
Let's now have another short break. Do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaka listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year ticket na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasi mak youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok nabada laiba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasi mak contact tobiu hena kupamarol gidama contact tobiru 7005092567 amasung 9007778647 aikhoigi website www.247ununi.com
Chakhumgi kolik singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kayagi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom lerak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikhogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tobirau.
A workshop on solid and liquid resource management to overcome the growing problems of West with urbanization and modern life was held in Agartala Town Hall organized by the Urban Development Department. State Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb appealed to people not to dump garbage and polybags in the open and drains leading to blockage of the sewerage system. Rather, there should be awareness on the benefits and how to keep the society clean and side-by-side utilization of the waste by segregating them for recycling, and which can not only create employment but also add to the economy. Having failed to have completed the task of enumeration for NRC in Assam, the government has given the process an extension of 1 month. The final list of National Register of Citizens in Assam was supposed to publish yesterday. It will now be published on July 31st, according to a report. The entire state of Nagaland has been declared a disturbed area for 6 more months till December end, in order to facilitate the UPSPA, which empowers security forces to conduct operations in the disturbed areas and shoot to kill or arrest anyone on suspicion and without prior notice. The Armed Forces Special Powers Act UPSPA has been in force in the Nagalands since 1958. At least 12 people were killed and 6 others injured after a compound wall collapsed in Malat area today due to heavy rains. NDRF officials said the incident happened around 2 a.m. when the compound wall in Pimpripada of Malat East area collapsed and people living in Santis adjacent to wall got trapped under the debris. Most parts of Mumbai remain flooded this morning following a heavy rainfall the city received yesterday. As per reports, the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai MCGM has declared a holiday for schools and colleges as a precautionary measure. Several number of long-distance passenger trains coming to Mumbai have been short-terminated at various stations. 54 flights have also been diverted and 52 were cancelled so far. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today at the first meeting of BJP Parliamentary Party this session had warned party MPs and through them leaders of the BJP that arrogant behavior by them would not be tolerated by him and such leaders would be sacked from their party. As per reports, Modi's threat was indirectly targeted at Indore MLA Akash Bijewagiriya, son of National General Secretary Kailash Bijewagiriya. A fuel drop tank fell off from an indigenous Tejas light combat aircraft LCA near Coimbatore this morning. According to a report, there was no damage on the ground. Today morning, around 8:40, one fuel drop tank fell off from a Tejas aircraft on a routine sortie from Salur Air Base near Coimbatore, an Indian Air Force spokesperson said. Millions gazed at the cosmic spectacle that began at 10:24 a.m. local time, 18:24 GMT in the South Pacific and swept along a path 6,800 miles, 11,000 kilometers across open waters to Chile and Argentina. The only places that the total eclipse will be seen aside from an uninhabited island out in the ocean. The eclipse is expected to make its first landfall in Chile at 3:22 p.m. 1922 GMT in La Serena. The total eclipse will begin there at 4:38 p.m. and last about 2.5 minutes. 15-year-old Corey Goff had yesterday created history in Wimbledon by defeating her idol Venus Williams by 6-4, 6-4 in the first round. 39-year-old Williams is considered Wimbledon royalty as she has been part of the All England club family for over 2 decades, having won the singles title 5 times, including 2 before golf was even born. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Biswajit blames Finance Department for failure to submit UCs. Nagaland to carry out its own version of NRC from July 10th. CM inspects irrigation facilities and paddy fields. Land record computerization of IW in a week. The People's Chronicle. Need to act now to save future generation, says CM. Government reviews drought-like situation in state. Dr. Nara demands dismissal of Biren-led BJP government. Jayanta Kumar exposes role of community health officers. CM vows to help to kids of tragedy victims. Manipur Mail. Time to act to save future generation and environment, says CM. CM inspects irrigation facilities and paddy fields. CPI demands dismissal of Biren government. The Morning Bell. CM reviews rainfall situation, orders measures for possible drought situation. State to be declared drought hit if it does not receive enough rainfall. BJP-led government illegal center should dismiss it, says CPI Manipur. Nagaland declared disturbed for 6 more months under AFSPA. Breaking the Silence 2019 campaign launch in Nigeria. 4th anniversary of Digital India observed. DM dashboards launch. Imphal Free Press. CM orders urgent preparatory measures to fight possible drought. First day employees mass casual leave depletes government office by 70%. Entire Nagaland declared disturbed for 6 more months under AFSPA. Excise officials charged of running extortion racket among drug users.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Manipur farmers toiling hard for crop yield despite drought-like situation. Veteran Ojoi terms Manipur political crisis very unusual politics. And medical team flag off to conduct free medical camp at Tamenglong district. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.